Troubleshooting Google Analytics filters is a crucial step in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your website data. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Google Analytics filters and how they work. Filters are used to modify or exclude data from your Google Analytics reports, allowing you to focus on specific aspects of your website traffic. The first step in troubleshooting Google Analytics filters is to identify the issue. Check your reports for any discrepancies or anomalies in the data. Look for sudden drops or spikes in traffic, or unusual patterns in user behavior. Once you have identified the issue, the next step is to check the filter settings. Log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Click on the view you want to troubleshoot and then click on Filters. Review each filter to ensure it is set up correctly. Check the filter type, such as include or exclude, and the filter field, such as country or browser. Also, verify the filter pattern, such as a specific keyword or IP address. Make sure the filter is applied to the correct view and that the filter is enabled. A common issue with Google Analytics filters is incorrect filter syntax. Make sure to use the correct syntax and formatting when setting up a filter. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from a specific IP address, use the correct format, such as 192.168.1.1. Another common issue is filter overlap, where multiple filters conflict with each other. To avoid this, use the filter precedence feature, which allows you to specify the order in which filters are applied. To test your filters, use the Verify Filter feature in Google Analytics. This feature allows you to test a filter against a sample dataset to ensure it is working correctly. You can also use the Filter Debugging feature to identify any issues with your filters. Best practices for troubleshooting Google Analytics filters include regularly reviewing and updating your filter settings, using the Verify Filter feature to test new filters, and documenting your filter settings and changes. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your Google Analytics filters are working correctly and providing accurate and reliable data. Regularly troubleshooting your filters will help you identify and resolve any issues, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your website for better performance.